Check me out. Mail call. Look at this. Got that. Look at this protein. Can't wait to take this stuff. I'll tell you what I'm taking tonight before. I really don't do this kind of stuff or haven't taken it, but one of the things Coach Duffin, Chris Duffin, my weightlifting coach, right, is look, I got that full blitz, these pre-workouts, and then I heard this is the game changer. The Vaso Blitz gives you a ton of energy, and it gives your body stuff you didn't even know you were needing, but you feel great, right? But we'll see how that goes tonight in practice. I'll still get choked. I think Coach Bittner's gonna smash me tonight, but yeah, check it out. Mayo call. So Blitz 3D, right? Vaso Blitz, full blitz. Got that 80-20 protein. I can't wait to try this right here. Got a mixer. Got that mixer. And then, ooh, yeah. If you drink, don't drink without these. It's like the whatever's in alcohol that gives you that headache. Like, that gets rid of that. That gets rid of that. Oh, if you're eating a lot of carbs, check this out, that glyco hack. I'm kind of cutting weight, dieting already, so for World, so I might only take a little protein. I'm 10 days out or something like that, but this Vaso Blitz, these guys right here, look at this lineup, ooh, yeah, I'm gonna be on fire, you know what I mean?